Hi and welcome to another Ultimate A2 video. Today we're looking at replacement of the headlamp level adjustment motor. We essentially will be unlocking the motor from the mount, then releasing the ball joint from the track. Twist the motor anti-clockwise until it stops. Rock the motor upwards until it becomes free. Unplug the attached cable. You are now ready to replace the motor. The cable is a one-way fit. Reattach the cable. Align the locking mechanism's shapes to those on the mount. Push the ball joint downwards into the track. Lastly, turn the motor clockwise until it stops. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more Audi A2 related videos, please like and subscribe.